Having this confidence in your metrology system for every batch of parts being inspected is a leap forward toward lights out manufacturing. BPS stands for Batch Processing System. This intelligent solution is ideal for fully automated precision metrology and production inspection of small to medium-sized parts. The innovative technology has been engineered to give you a huge advantage for lights-out manufacturing. So let's get started. This system combines the high-precision features of the ATOS ScanBox with an EROWA automated part handler and PLC for increased throughput and process reliability with little to no user interaction or monitoring required. These solutions are configurable with one of these ATOS blue light 3D scanners, the ATOS 5, 5X airfoil, and can be paired with scan boxes from the 5 series through the 8 series. ATOS 3D scanners deliver millions of accurate coordinate points to create metrology-grade digital twins that allow for immediate inspection. The 5108 BPS takes up minimal floor space and can be moved onto the shop floor or near the production line. It's a customer favorite for trend analysis, SPC of complex parts like the following, but not limited to turbine blades, medical implants, electrodes, or injection molded parts. To give you an example, our aerospace customers measuring airfoil jet engine components are experiencing 2.5 to 5 micron accuracies because of the ATOS sensors. The BPS gives an autonomous environment that delivers accurate measurement data, analysis, and reporting that ATOS systems are known for. This seamless integration has been engineered to give you customizable production inspection in real time that delivers accurate data needed to make correct decisions. And just like all scan boxes, the programming is very quick with the VMR or the virtual measuring room. Simply drag and drop your CAD data, then import or create your measurement plan, and the Smart Teach function automatically creates optimal scan positions without ever having to access a teach pendant. This particular unit is equipped with 2 magazines, one in the front and one in the rear, which houses the parts on shelves. On the opposite side of the scan box, you can add a 3rd magazine, or a 2nd scan box, or a machining center, etc. So this unit is highly flexible. The shelving and magazine compartments are fully customizable for your part size and inspection needs. The bottom row on the front of the cabinet is reserved for interchangeable tool heads. This is where the microchip reader and the robotic gripper reside. The intelligent software and PLC manage the data sets and commands for you. The system can swap from the robotic gripper to the RFID reader, which adds a level of safety and part location management. With that said, each part is fixtured on a pallet that has an RFID tag that contains the information about the part and measuring program that's required for it. The EROWA is highly intelligent. For example, every time I open and close a cabinet door, the RFID tags will be rescanned to verify the product and location, all while allowing the ATOS data collection process to continue. So now you can see how the ATOS 5108 BPS has taken automated metrology to the next level by integrating the EROWA batch processing system. Once your parts are loaded, you can simply run the program, walk away, i.e. lights out manufacturing. After the automatic scanning and processing of the data, your inspection reports can be waiting for you to do further analysis or even set up real-time notifications. This is hands-off, automatic, precision metrology. Contact us on the live chat at capture3d.com or email us at info@capture3d.com with any questions or to set up a live in-person or remote demo. And thanks for watching.